my Jumpstart friends. So we are going to go deeper into learning about the sun today in our Let's Find Out About It. So last time we were together, we talked about the sun and how the sun is out during the daytime. So when the sun is out, we know it is the day. And we also talked about how we need to protect ourselves from the sun when we're outside. So we can wear sunglasses or a hat and make sure we have sunscreen on if we're going to be outside playing. So today we're going to talk about how the sunlight can cause some things to fade. So we can see that Max's pants, his overalls, they're pretty faded. So they're a lot lighter than when he first got them. So we can see different parts. We can see that there's some dirt on it, the brown, but that darker color is going to be what the color originally was. But the lighter color is what happened after Max was outside for a while or his pants got washed too many times. So since they were new, they were a bright blue color, probably like that color right there, but they're not that color anymore. They have faded. They are a lot lighter than when he bought them. So we can see that some parts were light and some parts were dark. Here, friends, we can see a pair of pants similar to Max's pants, and maybe that is a pair that he, that are similar to what he got. So they could have been very close to that color, but friends, his pants are so much lighter. So we can see that these ones, the new ones, are dark, but after a while of him being out in the sun and washing his pants got a lot lighter. So he probably spent a lot of time outside, or he just washed his pants a lot. Because when you wash clothing, sometimes some of the color from your pants or your shirt, it will come out in the wash. And then the sun makes it get lighter as well. So those two things combined makes our clothes get lighter over time. So Max probably likes to play outside like all kids do, and the sun made his pants fade. So friends, something else that also fades is paper. So I have a piece of paper right here, and I cut it in half, and I left the other part in the sunlight. So we have this piece of paper. It's pretty dark. It's darker than my Jumpstart shirt. It's a dark black color. But friends, I left my paper outside, and it went lighter, so it faded. So it faded from the sunlight. And this piece of paper is dark and it's pretty colorful. Well, not colorful, but it's vibrant. It's a brighter black color. But this one has faded, so it's a lot lighter and it's kind of dull. It's lost that bright color. So because these two, this one was left outside, this one looks a lot darker compared to it. So this one lost some of its color. And friends, you are going to learn a little bit more about that with Miss Daniela, and then we will come back together.
Hello, my Jumpstart friends. Miss Daniela here, and today we're going to be learning how sunlight affects the colors on a paper. So I'm going to be putting this piece of paper that is blue and this little cute plant pot with a smile on it on top of it outside, and we're going to keep it in for a day, and we're going to see how it affects it. And now we'll come back tomorrow and see how it looks. Welcome back, friends. We are going to now see what happened to the plant and the paper that we put outside the last day, and now it is the next day. All right, here we are. And for the big reveal, there's a dark spot. See, what happened here was the sunlight, or the light that came off of the sun, exposed the paper, so it showed on the paper, and it caused the surrounding parts to fade or become lighter, as you could see here. Since we put a dark place or a bright place somewhere that the sun can get exposed to it a lot more than if we had kept it inside, then everywhere else got duller, but this got duller, but everywhere else got lighter, and this got darker. Hope you guys had fun. doing that, you can do this with all sorts of objects. You can put a couple of pens in there and it would cause lines to start happening. Another pot like this could also work. And you can make papers just like that. Bye!
Okay, friends, welcome back. Friends, last time we were together, we talked about how important it is to wear sunscreen when we are outside because the sun rays are so strong. We need to make sure we're protecting our skin. The sun rays are so strong that they can fade paper from a bright color, like our piece of paper, to a lighter color, like our other piece of paper. So the sun does this by bleaching the color to make it lighter over time. So after a while, it gets lighter and lighter and lighter. Friends, I hope you enjoyed learning about the sun with me and Miss Daniela and how it can affect different things over time. Now you're going to go into centers and make some cards with Miss Rebecca. I hope you have so much fun and I will see you later.